Looking for the perfect alcove bathtub to turn your bathroom into a relaxing retreat? Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Dawson Modern Wall-Mounted Faucet. Let's kick things off with the Dawson Modern Wall Mount Tub Filler Faucet. Priced at $179.89, this faucet caught my eye with its sleek design and high flow capabilities. If you want a stylish and efficient way to fill your alcove tub, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out about this faucet is its waterfall spout, which measures 7.87 inches wide. This means when you turn on the water, it cascades beautifully, creating a calming waterfall effect that can transform your bathing experience. Plus, the solid brass rough-in valve allows for a higher water flow, filling your tub quickly, essential when you're eager to unwind after a long day. Another cool feature is the handheld shower head that comes with it. The curved design and 59-inch hose make it easy to rinse off or clean your tub, providing convenience and versatility. Honestly, with its polished chrome finish, it looks modern and would fit perfectly with any bathroom decor. Now, some people mention that installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not familiar with plumbing. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest some time or hire a professional, the end result is totally worth it for that stunning look and functionality. This faucet is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish upgrade that enhances both aesthetics and practicality. However, skip this if you're on a tight budget and don't want to deal with installation challenges. For the price, you're definitely getting good value. Now, if the installation aspect of the Dawson faucet has you second-guessing, the next product on our list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Aqua Eden Curved Apron Alcove Tub. The Aqua Eden VTDR603022R, a 60-inch acrylic curved apron alcove tub. While the price isn't listed, this tub's sleek design caught my attention right away. If you want a spacious, comfortable tub that fits perfectly in standard alcove spaces, this one is definitely worth considering. This tub is designed with your comfort in mind. The bowed front apron actually provides more interior space, making it feel more luxurious and spacious than typical tubs. With a 14-inch water depth and a generous 57-gallon capacity, you can indulge in deep, relaxing baths. It's made from durable acrylic over fiberglass, which not only looks good, but is also resistant to chipping and cracking, a must-have for long-term use. Plus, it's wall-mount tub filler ready, which means you can easily pair it with your favorite faucet for a cohesive look. The glossy white finish on all exposed sides adds a nice touch, making it easy to clean and maintain. However, some users have mentioned that the installation can be cumbersome, particularly regarding the right drain placement. Here's the thing though, if you have a bathroom layout that accommodates it, the extra space and comfort far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you value style and comfort and want a tub that offers a more spacious feel. But skip this if your bathroom space is limited, as the design needs room to shine. You're getting great value here for the quality and comfort. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for durability and ease of installation. Product number 3, Kingston Brass Alcove Tub. Let's look at the Kingston Brass 60-inch acrylic alcove tub. With its smart design and durable construction, this tub is a fantastic option. If you're after a long-lasting tub with easy installation, this one deserves your attention. This tub has a capacity of 60.85 gallons and a water depth of 14 3/8 inches, which means you can truly soak in comfort. The acrylic material reinforced with fiberglass ensures that it won't crack or fade over time, making it a smart investment for your home. It's designed for 3-wall alcove installation and includes a tile flange, so you can seamlessly fit it into your bathroom. Another highlight is the heavy-duty brass tiptoe tub drain. Not only does it look sleek with its polished finish, but it also stands up to wear and tear, ensuring you won't have to replace it anytime soon. Here's why this matters for you. It means less maintenance and more enjoyment. Now, some reviews pointed out that the right hand drain placement might not be ideal for everyone. Here's the thing though, it fits comfortably in most standard layouts, so unless you have a specific design in mind, it usually works just fine. This tub is perfect for you if you want something built to last and easy to install. But skip this if you have a unique space that requires a left-hand drain setup. For the quality, it's definitely a solid value. If you're looking for something with a more compact design, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4. Aqua Eden 54-inch Alcove Tub. The Aqua Eden VTAP 543023L is up next, measuring 54 inches. This tub is a great choice if you're looking for something a bit more compact without sacrificing comfort. If space is a concern, this could be a perfect fit for you. This tub is designed to fit in standard alcove spaces while providing more interior room due to its bowed front apron. With a 15 3/8 inch water depth and a capacity of 54.3 gallons, you can still enjoy deep, relaxing baths, even in a smaller size. It's made of durable acrylic over fiberglass, which means it's both lightweight and strong, ideal for easy installation. The glossy white finish on all sides makes it visually appealing and easy to clean, which is a big plus for busy households. Plus, it's wall mount tub filler ready, so you can pair it with your favorite faucet without a hitch. However, some users have expressed concerns about the tub's overall sturdiness compared to larger models. Here's the thing, while it might feel less solid, it actually holds up well with proper installation and care, ensuring you won't run into major issues. This is perfect for you if you're in need of a compact solution that still offers a touch of luxury. However, skip this if you prefer larger soaking options or have ample space available. For its size and quality, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more contemporary in design, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5. Kingston Brass Contemporary Alcove Tub. We have the Kingston Brass VTDE 603122R, a 60-inch contemporary alcove acrylic bathtub. This tub is ideal if you're looking for a modern touch in your bathroom. If you value a stylish design and functionality, you'll want to hear more about this. With its acrylic construction reinforced with fiberglass, this tub offers a durable and sleek finish. It measures 60 inches long and has a water depth of 14 inches with a capacity of 58.2 gallons. It's designed for 3-wall alcove installation and includes a tile flange, so installation is straightforward and can fit into most spaces without hassle. One aspect I loved is the contemporary look that complements various decor styles, making it a versatile addition to any bathroom. Plus, it has an integral tub apron for easier cleaning and maintenance. Nobody wants a tub that's a pain to keep tidy, right? However, some users noted that the drain kit is not included, which can be a bit of a hassle. But here's the thing, it's a common enough part that you can choose one that matches your aesthetic perfectly, so it's not a deal breaker. This tub is perfect for you if you're aiming for a modern aesthetic and value easy maintenance, but skip this if you need a complete kit right out of the box. Given its style and durability, it offers solid value for your investment. Now, let's wrap this all up. To quickly recap, we've explored 5 incredible alcove bathtubs: the Dason Modern wall-mounted faucet for style, the Aqua Eden curved apron for spacious comfort, the Kingston Brass alcove tub for durability, the Aqua Eden 54-inch for compact solutions, and finally, the Kingston Brass Contemporary Alcove Tub for modern design. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Aqua Eden curved apron because of its unique, spacious design that truly enhances your bathing experience. I'd recommend avoiding the Kingston Brass Contemporary Alcove Tub if you want a complete kit right away, as the missing drain kit can be a hassle.